My name is David Walker. I'm Service Development Manager for Ernest Doe Sons. It certainly is a challenge with the way that technology is moving. Gone are the old days with the old technician being able to just hammer or weld something back together. We move on to a new technology being lithium. So our technicians are fully trained at the factory under the product guidance of the product support managers, which enables us to go out and attend to any issues that we have with lithium or technology. We've gone to more software-based machines than old mechanical schools, so the guys have had to retrain, use different skills, but it doesn't necessarily mean to say that there isn't still the old machines out there that we'd still attend to. But obviously as the technology moves on, different problems and different challenges, we are basically always being trained.
With a change to the lithium machines that we're getting through now, maintenance is very low basically. There's hardly anything in the machine anymore. You've not got the engine or anything like that anymore, so you've not got your filters, you've not got your oils. So yeah, maintenance is a lot lower for us. Exactly the same for the customer as well. Your running costs are a lot lower, you haven't got your fuel, you haven't got the price of your oils and your filters, etc. So yeah, a lot cheaper for the customer to run as well. Yeah, with the lithium machines and the lack of any oils, yes, it's better for us, it's better for the customer. No spillages for them, no spillages for us. You haven't got the cost of it, you haven't got the cost of getting rid of the waste as well. So yes, it's an all-round benefit.
I think with the way that the service side of the business is going and mechanics, I think the range of full maintenance or full package is the way to move forward with certainly the machinery. Gone are the days that they used to have 2 or 3 in the shed and they could use themselves or have a mechanic. So we here at Ernest Doe's offer full maintenance package where we cover everything. That gives the customers fixed price for a period of 3 or 5 years. It gives them full peace of mind and they know then their running costs, and that is the way that we are selling all of our packages at the moment. The balance of the mobility of mobile technicians across the range of machinery is always good. Customers obviously want the machines up and running very early in the morning. We don't want to be picking the machines up and bringing them into the workshop when we can repair them out on site. Our technicians will carry out any form of repair or service work on site to stop the downtime of the machinery. The aim is to keep the customer up and running as much as we can without causing them any backlog or delays with their daily routines.